Morning. All right, today we're going on a road trip with Arlene's family. It's 5 a.m. here in Leyte. Let's go. How's my driving? Is it good?
Yeah, you did great. On your...
How do you like your helmet?
I do like it. It's a free helmet from Honda, guys.
Alright guys, so we're in a bit of a hurry right now. It's rainy season here. It's been thunderstorms and rain. You can see the wind's picking up. We figure we better go get our groceries and laundry done right now. Usually this time of year, you know, the rain will come, it'll downpour hard for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then it'll go away, but who knows? We're not taking chances. Alright, let's go ahead and uncover this and get out of here ASAP. Ready? Let's go. Figure we might have 10 minutes here before it starts pouring. Oh my gosh. Looking at $2, a little over $2 for 14 pounds of laundry. And they always get it done within 24 hours, so we'll pick it up tomorrow morning. All right, Solomon.
Joe's favorite place.
So yeah, this place got no name, but it's really good. So a full chicken's like $4, roughly $4, 220 to 240 pesos. And then we're getting leyte, which is pork, basically like a barbecued pork almost. But it's delicious. We'll mix that up with some veggies that we're gonna get here pretty soon on the next stop.
I'm gonna buy some cabbage. Cabbage.
Ano pala? Sige, sige.
In carrot. Thank you. Great. Oh, there's so nice. Hey, bro! What's up, man?
Watch out! Get in there. There we go, guys. Little leyte, a little bit of seasoning here, a little chili seasoning. Told you guys, we just made it. It's pouring down rain now.
Okay, we're gonna run for like 3 miles.
Yeah, so we got it. We got this place marked out down our Barangay Road where we marked a half-mile marker, so we know how far to go down and then come back, and we do it 3 times. It's perfect because we don't have to go on the main roads. We're just right out here on our going down our Barangay Road. Are you gonna be able to keep up with me?
Of course. I'll go even faster.
Faster than me?
No.
I'm so out of shape it ain't even funny. So during this time off, it's good to get out here and get some steps in, get some miles. I go slow as hell because with this humidity, my heartbeat will be at like 165. Never ran and vlogged. All right, we gotta stop in the middle of our run because we ran past some pineapple, fresh pineapple, and what's the red one?
Rambutan.
Rambutan. It's kind of like a grape.
Rambutan.
Yeah, it tastes like a grape. It's really good. Anyways, we're gonna buy these. She'll drop them back off at the house, and then I'm gonna keep running. I love running down this road. It's a great road for exercise. You got to make sure you come out early, otherwise it's just too hot. But anyways, right here, this guy's got a ton of papaya. All these trees are papayas. They're not ready yet. It's a much better deal than what we can get in the U.S. For those price-wise. So 70 for all that?
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. 70 pesos. So that's a little over $1 for all this here. So we got done with the exercise. Feeling good. It actually cleared up my throat mucus and whatnot a little bit. It was funny. We did about 3 miles, and on the last half mile we walked back. I normally do that just to kind of cool down because it's quite hot here for me as a foreigner. And a couple of families actually stopped. They seen me walking along the Barangay Road and offered me a ride, but I told them I was exercising. Boyai, I believe, is the name for belly fat. So anyways, they were very kind here. You know, they all know where I live and whatnot, so they seen me walking. They probably thought something was wrong. So yeah, people are very generous here. What up?
Oh. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog.
Hey, what's up? What's up? I'm here.
You guys are awesome out here, man. Good people.